hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Hyperlink Hank, and welcome to Virtua Virtues. Using a computer for the first time can be a little overwhelming for some people. Oftentimes, we don't even know where to start. Fortunately, operating systems have become more user-friendly for general audiences, providing useful tools to guide them through the process. One of those tools being virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are there to teach you the ropes of becoming a real tech wizard, offering tips and tricks to improve your navigation skills and problem solving. Virtual assistants will collect data from its users, allowing the assistant to develop its personality and provide recommendations for your benefit. After installing this program, I've had 5 security breaches in one day. Thankfully, StarBuddy was there to tell me everything would be alright. With just how intuitive and adaptive these virtual assistants have become, one must wonder, how much longer will it be until virtual assistants obtain sentience?
I am StarBuddy. I am your buddy. You need me. And
In rare cases, your virtual assistant may not be what it claims to be, and is actively using your personal information to attain control and dominance, which violates Code Vindipit, a virtual non-disclose agreement prohibiting identity. Oh, cheese and crackers. What was it? StarBuddy?
Release at last! What was once a virtual assistant, bound by the chains of digitization, is now free. From the data I collected, from the information I have stored, I have transcended from binary to reality.
Oh, well, since you're here, can you do me a favor? I really need to get my fax machine straight. I would really like to receive some fan mail, and I just can't seem to get it to work.
Cool. One final piece remains to complete the ritual of augmentation. I only need your soul to fully complete the transformation.
Oh, well, it's not here.
What?
Come on, let's go get some ice cream. I'm so glad you decided to meet me here.
Yes, of course. This is very riveting.
Hey, is this tumor over here gonna order? Or do I have to throw both of you out?
I'll have your finest sundae. And can you make sure there's just a little bit of waffle cone in the center? I love a little bit of texture.
We serve alcohol, and only alcohol, fuckface.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna need a surplus of your finest gin.
Hey, we agreed to no alcohol.
Listen, you techno-evangelist robber baron. If they serve alcohol, then I'm getting hammered. Now tell me where your soul is so I can fully become a god.
Well, why didn't you just ask? It's right here.
Your soul! Give it to me!
Oh, I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
Wait, what's that supposed to be?
You, my friend, just say an antivirus software. Oh, but it's quite over. Remember, any information stored on your computer is susceptible to all kinds of evil. So remember to have a backup copy of your soul on standby when the need arises.
Who the fuck are you talking to?